In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated collections on Shopify. We're going to build a smart collection that organizes your products for you based on rules you set once. This is perfect for grouping items like summer sale, new arrivals, or under $50 without manually sorting products every time you add or update them. Start by heading to shopify.com and log into your admin. Use your preferred sign-in method, whether that's email and password or a trusted single sign-on provider. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're in the correct storefront before moving on. From your Shopify admin, look to the left sidebar and click Products. This is your central place for everything related to items you sell. Next, select Collections. Collections help customers browse by category, theme, or promotion, and they power many storefront sections and menus. Click Create Collection. You'll land on a setup page. Give your collection a clear, descriptive name your team and customers will understand, like women's sneakers or holiday gifts. You can also add a description for context. This can help with on-site messaging and search engine optimization, though it's optional. If your theme uses collection images, you can add one later to keep your store visuals consistent. Now choose Automated as the collection type. Automated collections populate themselves using rules, unlike manual collections where you add products one by one. This saves time and keeps things accurate as your catalog grows. Add your rules. You can build rules around product title, product type, tags, price, vendor, inventory, stock, and more. For example, you might choose product tag equals sneakers, or price is less than 50, or title contains summer. Consistent tagging is your best friend here. Decide on a tagging convention and stick to it so your rules remain reliable. As you add rules, Shopify shows a preview of matching products so you can confirm you're on the right track. Decide whether products must match all the rules or match any of them. Match all means every condition must be true, great for narrow, precise collections. Match any means at least one condition can be true, ideal for broader catch-all groupings. Pick the one that aligns with how you want products to be included. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Your collection will populate automatically, and any future product that meets your rules will be added without extra work. If you don't immediately see updates, give it a moment for Shopify to process. That's it. Your automated collection is ready to use on your storefront, menus, and featured sections.